Truck is frozen. -2 Fahrenheit, which is like -19 Celsius. -2 degrees. Or colder, not sure. It was -2 earlier. My truck is supposed to start and run by itself if it gets too cold, and it didn't. So basically the diesel in it is frozen, or you know, gelled up. So that's what -2 looks like out there. I don't know. I was here one day and the truck was fine, but the road was closed, so I couldn't keep going. There's a truck warning me of something, so I couldn't keep going. So then that's annoying. So then the truck died, and I've been staying in the casino over there for a couple nights, and I don't know when the truck will run again because the diesel's all gelled. I don't know if that'll melt properly or what, but I'm staying here another night, and I'm on my second day of quitting smoking, and I've been good. But I haven't gambled much. You know, you get excited gambling, you want to smoke and drink, and so I just would gamble like 20 bucks at a time. Right now I'm ahead 80 bucks, so not bad. Sorry I haven't been on here in a while, but I've been super busy, so I'm just trying to make this one video to put out and let you know. Also, I won't be releasing videos weekly anymore, or I'll just be able to release them whenever I can. So yeah, I know it's been about a month since I released a video, so I'm going to try to get this one out and released. Thanks for watching.
Moving me down the highway, rolling me down